Okay, here we go. We're going to be doing a quick dirty dog edit using PixlrE. PixlrE has a lot more tools and features, as you can see here. We're going to be using the crop tool and also the clone tool in this edit. Okay, so let's get started. First, overall, we can see that the picture is the image is a little bit under exposed, and it needs a little more livening up. So let's get to that right away. We'll go up to adjustment. Let's try vibrance first, and let's increase the vibrance here. Oh yeah, look at this, it's moving already. And we'll apply it, and that is pretty good actually. Okay, so now let's try the next adjustment. It's still a little bit under exposed, so we'll try another adjustment using the exposure setting. And let's see if we can get this to, oh yeah, definitely across the board. And we'll apply that. And let's return to hues and saturation. And we'll increase saturation. And apply that. And it's getting closer to what I originally took the picture with. It was really quite vibrant, so let's go back to vibrance and increase that again. Oh yeah, there we go. We're getting closer to what originally it looked like. A lively scene, to say the least. And so we'll apply that. And we'll make one more adjustment, and that is in brightness and contrast. And we'll increase the brightness and increase the contrast. Very good. This is very close to what the original scene looked like. So let's make another adjustment, and that is there's some drips here along the bottom here, and we would like to use the clone tool to remove that. So we'll get the clone tool, and we'll tell it its source is here, and the paint is right here. Let's see if that'll go. Yep, it's gone. Now we could go down here and go up and get rid of this. But that looks, the latter just doesn't look natural, and so we'll undo that and leave it as it is. So the next thing we want to do is crop, and we use the cropping tool, and we want to bring up the bottom a little bit so our dancing gal is balancing right at the bottom of the image, and we'll also bring it down from the top, and bring in the side just slightly. This is close to the thirds. In fact, you can see it. The thirds grid is showing, and so we're going to put more of her in the middle grid. Okay, so that's a free setup for the cropping, and so now we'll just apply it, and there is the image. And the last thing we want to do is we want to do a smart resize. This thing is too big right now at 4600. We're going to bring it down by at least a half and make that 2400, and the height is automatically adjusted, and notice we had lock proportions, and smoothing is going to be done, and pardon me, avoid stretching as well. And so we'll want to apply this. And as you can see in the lower corner here, the adjustment has been made. So the last thing we're going to do is we're going to save this. And to do that, you go up to File, Save. We'll actually, no, we don't want it as a PNG, so we'll save it. And as a JPEG, and notice that it's corrected for the smaller width and height. And we do a save as here. And hopefully we'll be allowed to, yep, we can put in 0D-dog a Pixlr. Save. So that's our exercise of rescuing an image that had some contrast, some exposure problems. So we did a little bit of a trim, and we resized the image dramatically downward. So that concludes our